In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an email autoresponder to Instapage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Instapage account and how to link it with popular email services so your leads flow straight into your lists without any manual work. Start on your Instapage dashboard. Look to the top left and click the workspace name. This is important if you manage more than one workspace because integrations are tied to the workspace you're in. Make sure you're in the workspace where your pages live, so the connection applies to the right projects. From there, open Workspace Settings. This is the central area for workspace-wide preferences that affect all pages under that workspace. Connecting your autoresponder here means you won't need to repeat the process for every landing page you build. Inside Workspace Settings, head over to the Integrations section. This is where Instapage lists the platforms it can connect with. You'll see email marketing providers like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, and ActiveCampaign, among others. Find your provider in that list and click to begin the connection. At this point, Instapage will either ask you to log into your email service or paste an API key. If it opens a login window, sign in to your email provider and grant permission so Instapage can communicate with your account. If it requests an API key instead, go to your email provider's account settings to generate one, then copy and paste it back into Instapage. Be careful to paste the key exactly and keep it secure. If your provider supports multiple data centers or lists, ensure the key and settings correspond to the correct account area you intend to use. Once the connection is successful, you're all set at the workspace level. That means your connected email autoresponder is now available across every page in this workspace. When you set up forms on your landing pages, you'll be able to select this integration and route new subscribers into your chosen lists without reconnecting it each time. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you chose the correct workspace before connecting, especially if you manage client accounts. If you ever change your password or rotate your API key in your email service, remember to revisit the Instapage integration and reconnect so it stays active. And if you don't see your provider right away, use the search inside integrations to find it quickly. That's it. Click the workspace name, open Workspace Settings, go to Integrations, connect your provider, and your autoresponder is ready to use across your pages.